Alright guys, good day. So today we actually got some calipers from Brembo 7 to service and prepare for painting. So here we go. So there are two types of calipers known to the automotive industry, and they are floating calipers as well as fixed calipers. These calipers on the Evo 7 front and back are of the fixed design. There are 4 pistons to the front and 2 pistons to the back. So here's a photo of the front that is disassembled. Not to mention overnight parts from Japan. So we've cleaned them up, and here we have them all lubed up and ready for installation. There are the new seals that have been installed. Job well executed by our trusted staff, and all 4 calipers are ready to go to the paint shop now for refurbishing. Alright guys, so if you're experiencing any creaking, drop in the brakes pedal, leakage or any brake problems whatsoever, please hit us up at 296-3008 and make JAZZIE'S Auto Clinic your choice today. Have a great day.